Hi there, my name is Tim Metz. I'm the Director of Content Engineering at Animalz, a content marketing agency. In this video, I'm going to show you how we use the AirOps MCP and a custom created Claude Code command to find opportunities in thought leadership and other high quality articles that are not initially meant for AEO or SEO and still optimize for those channels without ruining the article. This is the article on the Animalz blog and it's about context engineering. So I'm going to say AEO audit article. It's going to read the articles and now it's going to check all the prompts that we're already tracking in AirOps using the AirOps MCP. It's found 10 prompts that relate to the article. So now it's auditing which questions the article naturally answers and which prompt does it match that we're already tracking in AirOps. This is Blue Ocean term, Animalz can own this. Recommendations: add a definitional anchor, risk none. Add FAQ section, risk none. That's pretty cool. Anti-recommendation also gives anti-recommendations. Don't add keyword stuff, headings, etc. New prompts candidates. Create these in AirOps. Yeah, create those in AirOps. So it also is reverse engineering which prompts make sense for us to track and to use and that this article answers. So we can start to see if people actually ask these questions and then whether our article is getting cited to answer them. And then the last thing that is nice here is that we can then applying recommendations to the article. So it now has made these updates in the website. I can now push it to live if I want. And I'm not going to do that because I want to double check, of course, but I'm just giving you a quick demo. And so the really cool thing about this is that you can essentially take an article that you didn't originally write for AEO or SEO and then use this command to check it after the fact and see where you can find natural opportunities to still optimize for AEO. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.